In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sennheiser headphones to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting a pair of Sennheiser headphones to any mobile device that you have is simple. Now, depending on the connection type, you will have to use an adapter. So first, I'm gonna be talking about a Bluetooth wireless connection. This is going to be by far the most convenient option. So if your specific Sennheiser headphone does not support Bluetooth, skip ahead for the wired connection method, but if it does, you will be able to enable Bluetooth on your device. So go over to the settings, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and now you have to put your headphones in pairing mode. To do this, usually you will press a physical button on the Sennheiser headphones. So an example would be the HD450BT. By pressing and holding this button, you will be able to set it into pairing mode. As soon as you see the LED indicator flash, you will be able to find it under the list of available devices on your phone. So under the Bluetooth settings, after it is enabled, you will be able to choose the headphones from the list. As soon as you select them, they will automatically pair themselves up with the mobile device, and they are now ready to be used. So all of the audio being output on your phone is going to go through the Sennheiser headphones instead. Now, if you have one with a wired connection, such as 3.5mm jack or USB, then even though you can still connect it to your phone, of course, you have to use an adapter. Assuming that your phone does not have an audio jack or a USB-A port, like most phones, you just have to purchase the corresponding adapter. So if you have an iPhone, this would be a Lightning to 3.5 or Lightning to USB adapter, for example. And as soon as you plug it in using the provided adapter, they are going to be recognized right away. And once more, you can listen to all of the audio from your phone in the Sennheiser headphones instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser headphones to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.